I'll be showing you how to install Tableau. So first go to your browser and type Tableau for students. Click on the first link you see. Get Tableau for free. Fill in your details. Select the role as student. Click on download the app. You will be redirected to this page. Click on the operating system you are using. And Tableau will be downloaded. Go to the folder where you have downloaded Tableau. Drag this into your applications. Drag this into your applications here. Now you will be able to see that the Tableau is being copied to the applications if you are on Mac. If you are on Windows, you can just directly double click and you can open. Double click on the package here. Continue, agree, install. Enter your lock screen password. Tableau will be installed. Close this. Now you will be able to open the Tableau. So if you want to go to the Tableau workspace, click on this icon here, which allows you to toggle between the Tableau workspace and the main home screen page. Thank you.